Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned into the 643 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story comes from Insurance Asia and looks at India's insurance industry, which is entering a period of major change. Government forecasts shared in Gallagher Re's Asia Pacific Market Watch suggests that within the next decade, India could move ahead of Germany, Canada, Italy, and South Korea to become the world's sixth largest insurance market. This growth is being driven by several factors: a young population, rising incomes, wider use of digital tools, and regulatory reforms that make it easier for more companies to participate. The government's decision to allow full foreign ownership is expected to bring in more capital and innovation, helping the industry compete globally. Health and motor insurance remain the largest segments while new players are entering reinsurance. Together, these developments point to steady expansion and a stronger role for India in the global insurance market. Our next story, from Construction World, looks at how India is working to make its roads safer. The country is rolling out vehicle-to-vehicle communication technology, where cars are fitted with onboard units that can share real-time data such as speed, location, and braking patterns. This allows vehicles to alert drivers to potential dangers before they even come into view. Officials believe this could reduce accidents by up to 80%, especially in conditions like dense fog or when vehicles are hidden in blind spots. Safety, however, is not just about technology. The government is also strengthening the insurance system. A nationwide cashless treatment scheme is set to launch soon, covering accident victims for up to Rs 1.5 lakh in medical expenses for 7 days after a crash. These costs will be covered either by third-party insurers or the Motor Vehicle Safety Fund. Taken together, smarter vehicles and stronger insurance protections signal a turning point, where innovation and financial security come together to make India's roads safer and its citizens more resilient. Our next story, from The Hindu: Tamil Nadu runs the Chief Minister's Comprehensive Health Insurance Scheme, which provides health coverage to millions of families across the state. Since its launch in 2009, the scheme has steadily expanded to include more treatments, hospitals, and special categories of people such as orphans, persons with disabilities, refugees, trans persons, and construction workers. Recently, a premium payment was made to continue the coverage for over 1.45 crore families, ensuring that benefits remain accessible. The scheme now covers thousands of medical procedures across government and private hospitals, offering both inpatient and outpatient support. It has become an important social security measure aimed at improving access to healthcare and strengthening protection for vulnerable groups in Tamil Nadu. Our final story today, from the researchers, highlights a major welfare initiative at the Bokaro Steel Plant. The company has launched Sanjeevani, a group health insurance scheme designed to strengthen health and social security for its contract workforce. Inaugurated by Director in Charge, this is the first scheme of its kind within SAIL, created specifically for skilled and highly skilled contract workers who are not covered under ASIC due to salary limits. Executive Director H.R. described the program as a reflection of Bokaro Steel Plant's commitment to inclusive welfare. Around 7,000 contract workers are expected to benefit, with coverage managed through the Bokaro Welfare Trust and insurance provided by Bajaj General Insurance. Each worker will receive Rs 4 lakh of inpatient coverage and Rs 1,500 for outpatient care over 1 year. At the launch, health cards were distributed to workers and a Rs 10 lakh compensation check was handed to the family of a late worker, underscoring the plant's dedication to social responsibility. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.